Hi friends, I'm Kartik and today I'm going to show you how to make a drawing app. So firstly I'm going to show you that how it works. So I'm going to run it. Right. So this is my screen. Now here I can write anything. Like I can draw a line right here. I can take the eraser and erase this line also. And I can also increase the width right here. And then I can erase it in one go only, and then I can take the brown color right here. I can decrease the width, and you can see that this is right here, so I can just erase it. Eraser, right. I'll erase this also. So you can use it for anything. Like there are many color options also right here, and you can write also right here. Like I'll write hello right now. Let me just clear the whiteboard. I'm going to take it to full and erase this whole in one go only. Now let me take the blue color and right here I'm going to decrease the width because I know that it is not going to come in this much with this much width. So I'll just decrease it. Let me take the eraser and erase all this. Now I'm again going to take my color. Hell no. So here I've written hello. I can make a smiley right here. I'll take the green color, two eyes, smiley, anything you can do right here. So I'm going to clear the whiteboard in one go. And like you can draw something else also. Anything you can draw right here. So now I'm going to reset it and tell you all the coding. So firstly I'm going to tell you designing. So there's no need of this home screen right here. No need of the screen. So I'm going to just skip this. Right. So this is a main drawing screen. So here I have added one, two, right. There are 9 colors right here, and one eraser, and one slider for like if you want to change the thickness, you can change it using the slider. And this is your whiteboard right here, all this white area. So now I'm going to go to the home screen just a minute. Firstly, this eraser, the color was coming right there on the eraser only. So I'm just going to remove it so that it doesn't come. I'll scroll down and change the color of this from transparent to white. Now it is fine. Now when you will run it, then the color will not come on the eraser. So it is good. Now I'll go back to the code and now I'm going to explain you. Now this is the first block, set screen drawing. So this screen is there in the starting only. This screen comes first. Then I've taken the hide option. I took this from the turtle because you're going to add a pen right here, so the pen should firstly be hidden and the pen color will be black at first and the pen will be up. And then here it is on event drawing. Drawing is a screen name. The name of a screen is drawing. So when drawing means when our mouse will move on the screen, then this turtle means our pen. It will move towards the X and Y of our mouse. Like, I'll run it, and then I'll choose the red color right here, and then you can see that this color is moving towards the direction of our mouse, right? So then the next block is this one. On event, drawing mouse down means when we are clicking on the left button, and now our mouse is working right here. Then at that time, the means the same thing, this move to event dot x and event dot y, that is the same right here. And then the pen down means our pen should come down, like we hold our pens in our hand, and when we stop writing, we still do not leave the pens, like the pen tip, they, like it does not touch the notebook. When we stop writing, we have stopped writing, we are not doing anything, then the pen tip is up, it is not touching a notebook or a page. Same way right here, I've added this pen up option, and right here pen down means when we have started drawing now, our mouse is down and the pen is down. So when our mouse is down, then the pen should be down right here. Now on event, sorry, on even drawing mouse up. So right here, when a mouse is up, see, right here you can see that nothing is happening. Nothing. My mouse is just moving on the screen and nothing is happening right here. Cause my mouse means my pen is up right now. It is not down. My pen is up. That is why nothing is happening right here. It is just moving, nothing else. So now the slider I'm going to code for, means I'm going to tell you the code for the slider now. So this is a slider. So the pen width should be, means the pen, let me tell you, this is our pen width. Now I'm going to decrease it. See, now it is thin. Now I'm going to increase it, and now see how thick it is. It is so thick. Now I'm going to take the eraser and erase it out. And you see that the pen color is not coming on the eraser. It is behind the eraser. That is why I've changed its color to transparent, from transparent to white. So now here there are different pen colors, like when you will click on orange, then the pen color will become orange, and same way red, green, and the other colors also. And for the eraser, it is that when you will click on this eraser button, which I have named as button 14, when you will click on it, then the pen color will become white, so that it erases it. Now I'm going to draw something, like I'm going to draw snowman now. So let me take this color. Oh no, sorry. Let me erase both of these. Let's take this color. I'm going to color the whole background. Or let me just erase it. On a plain white background, we are going to create a snowman now on our new whiteboard. I'm going to erase it. Now I'm going to take the black color. First I'm going to decrease the width. Take the eraser first. Oh, I'm going to increase the width again. Now again decrease the width. Now we'll not increase it. Now firstly I'm going to take the red color. I'm going to do this. Now this. And now this. And now this. And now I'm going to make the full cap. Right. Now let's make the snowman. See the snowman's hands, eyes. Now let's take the orange color right here. And this is the nose. Done. The snowman. Now we can take our eraser to erase it. Or let's just leave it. Now I'm going to reset this. And I'm going to share it. Like you can share it if you want. You can copy the link and set it anywhere. So thank you. Bye. Hope you liked it.